Okay, GM, everyone. Actually, good evening right now, right? So, allow me to introduce myself for a bit. So, I'm Shine, the head of operation at Band Protocol. So, I actually joined in this space since 2017, and I started to trade the cryptocurrency since then, and the outcome wasn't that great. I lost everything. So, after that, I realized that it's because of I didn't know about the technical knowledge behind that token or that anything. So I started to learn about blockchain. And I started to work with the band protocols in then as well. So I have been working here at band protocol for almost 4.5 years already. And yeah, so I'm not here to introduce myself or present of myself. So let's skip to the important part. Sorry. Oh. Okay. So what is band protocol? So band protocol is a decentralized cross-chain oracle provider that aggregate and connects the real-world data and API to the smart contract and blockchain. And our mission is to help the fellow developer with more robust infrastructure to increase the livelihoods of mass adoption. And go back to 2018, we initially launched our band V1 or the first version of band on Ethereum. And each feed has its own token, its own smart contract. But the outcome is that the operation cost is very expensive. As you may know that the gas cost in Ethereum is very high, very expensive, right? So we decided to move out from Ethereum to the Cosmos SDK. So we have our own chain. It's called Band Chain, which built on top of Cosmos SDK and built specifically to handle the Oracle activity. And the killing feature of this version is about this version is to enable anyone to create a custom script for their specific use cases. That means the developer can write some script for the specific purpose on their own. Yeah, so since we are launching the bandwidth through, I think for a few years, and we face a lot of challenges, and we found that there are some challenges here, expectation versus reality. So for the expectation, we thought that user has specific data need, but in reality, nearly 90% of our customer are using the pipe feed, not the other type of the data. And users want to create a custom script themselves, but in reality, no interest in learning a custom script. So that means we need to write to them and user relay the data on their own. But in reality, they told me that, no, please do it for us. Currently, we are running our relayer to them. And other one is data update every 5 minutes are sufficient. I think at that time, 5 minutes are enough for the lending protocol, but nowadays there are so many use cases, right? So in reality, so they need a sub-second oracle to have the fastest oracle data. And the last one, our standard data set includes the 100 market cap of token, meet 99% of the use cases. But in reality, most of our consumers say that, can you provide feed for XYZ shitcoin? And yeah. So we continuously gather the feedback and conduct the research and try to improve our system. And nowadays, we know that what the client needs. So I separated to be the 3 aspects. The first one is focused on only price feed. Yeah, 90%, as I mentioned earlier. The second one, the step should be very minimal, and setup should be developer friendly, right? And it's come to the go-to-market. If we can achieve this, so that means go-to-market speed is very fast. And I think everyone here who build the protocol yourself, you need to quickly launch your project, right? And to achieve this, our solution is the upcoming band V3. So this is the overview how everything fits together for the V3 upgrade. We have added many new features and many new modules, and we also upgrade our band chain to be faster, much cheaper, and can handle more throughput. So you can see the blueprint here is very messy, right? Not to worry, I will explain one by one. Okay, so Bandwidth 3 consists of 3 key components that work together to provide a fully decentralized, permissionless, and open pipe feed system. And yeah, so before I will talking about the signaling hub, so I would like to ask you one question. Are you familiar with the curve wall? Can you raise your hand? Anyone know about curve wall? Oh, that means you were in this space for a long time, right? Yeah, so basically the curve wall was an event that happened in the curve finance, which allow the user can trade stablecoin pair. And in the curve wall, in order to get more reward distribution on that pool, you need to lock curve. And then you get a VE curve to be the voting power to vote on the pair, and you can get more reward. And really like this concept. So, and inspire us to build the signaling hub. So in signaling hub, band staker can nominate the token to be supported natively by the band chain operator or validator in the Cosmos, yeah, in our band chain. And for example, like if I want to nominate a UNK token, it's like unknown. I want to lock band and then vote on my token, then I get the frequency like updated every second. And the more voting power given, the more frequently the price is updated. And this signaling hub will boost more about the band token utility. It's because of both token project and application that rely on the Oracle data from band have an align incentive to work with the band holder community in order to nominate the symbol they need. Yeah. So it's like a curveball on Oracle data. It's interesting, right? And the other key major module is called concurrent price stream. So this allow that band chain have the up to 1,000 symbol available, and it will be automatically updated by the band chain operator or the validator. And it will be securely relay the data via data tunnel. And for Cosmos ecosystem, they can even use the ICQ or interchain query to query the data for free. And here is an overview and data flow of the concurrent price stream. First, the validator have to request the data from the external data like Binance or CoinMarketCap aggregator, right? By getting the parameter from the signaling hub. As I mentioned earlier, I vote on the unknown token, right? So I get the symbol UNK and the time interval like 1 second. And once they obtain the price, okay, they will update to the concurrent price stream. And the concurrent price stream will aggregate the price to be a reference price stream which is ready to be relayed. And yeah, so the last one, Once the price is available and live on the band chain on the reference price stream already, so that means they can relay out to via the data tunnel. And as I mentioned about the Cosmos, they can query from the reference price stream by using the ICQ or injection query. And yeah, moreover, it's free of charge for everyone. And the last one is data tunnel. To make the price data available on the smart contract platform, the data tunnel provide a standard interface for securely relaying Oracle package to multiple destination chains. And it's sort of an internet gateway for the Oracle data. And yeah, so currently we are now working with the top tier interoperability protocol. It's like XLR, Router, Hyperland, to implement standard tunnel that can make band V3 data Oracle available across of every smart contract platform. And hence, it's more decentralized, and that aligns with our band V3 goal. And yeah, so in band V3, we improve a lot. It's huge improvement from band V2. It's free and open data, and it's easy to integrate. It's because of we will have the developer portal, which allow the developer can create the price feed in few clicks, and it will take just only 10 minutes. And now, bam, you can get the price feed and using to your smart contract. And the last one is bulletproof security. We are not only focusing on the feature or implementation, but we are focusing on the optimization as well. So as you may know, the Merkle proof, if you are in the technical aspect, right? Merkle proof is very large and costly to relay, especially in Ethereum. But now we have the data, the data verification. The type is called TSS, or threshold signature scheme. After we researched for a long time and try to test to relay, it came out very great that we can reduce the gas cost around 10 times. It's really nice, right? And in summary, it's now easier and cheaper than ever for the developer that can be access the high quality data on chain with band V3. And yeah, so band V3 testnet is coming soon. So we aim to launch it by the end of this year, and the mainnet by the end of Q1 or early Q2. And the last but not least, you may notice my t-shirt, right? It say, band protocol is dead and band is here. So it's actually, we are rebanding. Yeah. So you may spot our new logo from many places during the DevCon. And this rebanding aligns with the mission of the band V3, as it's now more decentralized, more developer friendly, and brings more fun to the ecosystem. Yeah, and I hope that the band V3 will support more developer and bring more fun on this space. And thank you, everyone.